In this example, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily create stylized text such as this Southeast Polk with the Compucon EOS program. To begin with, we'll just start the text mode. Type your text on the screen. Click OK. Select the font from the drop-down list. Compucon comes with many different fonts. This one is Compacta. We're going to place it on the screen. Now, as you can see, it's much bigger than what we need, so we're going to drop this down to a workable size for right now. There we go. Now, to get this shape, we're going to select from the frames. As you can see, you can create many different shapes. These two frames here are free frames, where we can freely adjust the text. From here, the frame itself is controlled by these control points that surround the letters. We simply drag these to the places we want the text to fit to. These center two frames not only adjust the shape, they also adjust how the text is laid out. For instance, as you can see, the T might be difficult to see. Let's hide this image for a second. You see the T ends here, but in the graphic it ends there. Well, what we can do is we can drag these points to move where the letters start and end within the frame itself. Also, this shape is angular, whereas we want it more curved. So we can pull these handles like this to get the shape exactly how we want it. That's pretty close. As you can see, the word Southeast fits pretty well. Polk, however, we have an issue here. We can select the individual letters and move them into position. Like so. Build the stitches, and we have a nice representation of the stylized text.